In this video, we'll be going over walls in and all-in condo insurance. Hi, I'm Heather Flaherty. I'm a personal lines client success manager at Barry Insurance. I've been answering insurance questions for 22 years. We know that condo insurance can be a little confusing, especially when it comes to walls in and all-in insurance. Every condo association has their own master insurance policy included in your homeowners association fees, which covers damage to the condo's building, grounds, and outdoor features. This policy could either be a walls-in policy or an all-in policy. In this video, we will go over the difference between an all-in policy, walls-in policy, what it means for you, and what you should know when purchasing your individual or HO6 policy. Also known as a single unit policy or a single entity policy, an all-in policy covers condo features including attached appliances, wiring, plumbing, and carpets in your condo. Think of this type of policy as covering everything in your condo that you do not own and would be leaving behind if you were to move. Walls-in insurance basically covers the interior of your unit. It will help cover countertops, fixtures, carpet, flooring, cabinetry, and other items. Walls-in coverage may or may not cover drywall, carpeting, countertops, appliances, plumbing, and electrical units. While these are general definitions, keep in mind each master policy can vary significantly when it comes to coverages and exclusions. Before deciding on an individual insurance policy, you'll want to be sure to carefully review your condo's master policy. You should also review your condo association master docs to know what is and is not covered. If you do not have a copy of those documents, you can visit masslandrecords.com to get your condo bylaws. You have no choice of whether your condo's master policy is a walls-in or an all-in policy, but you can choose which coverages and limits to include on your personal condo insurance policy to best complement the master policy. Regardless of the type of master policy your condo association has, you will need to buy an individual policy or HO6 policy to cover your personal belongings. And if you have a walls-in policy, you may need to buy additional coverage to insure appliances, fixtures, and other items within your condo. Before we talk about what additional coverage you might need, let's talk about what a condo insurance policy generally covers. An individual policy covers the following areas up to the coverage limits you select. Dwelling covers the structure of your condo, including the materials used to construct it. Dwelling would cover fixtures if they were damaged or destroyed from incidents including storm damage, fire, or theft. Personal property covers the cost of possessions in your condo if they were damaged or destroyed from incidents including storm damage, fire, or theft. Personal liability covers damages if someone else is injured on your property. Personal injury. If added onto the policy, this covers legal costs for libel or slander claims against you. Loss of use. Usually included, loss of use covers cost of living if you were to be displaced due to home damage. Loss assessment. If a common area in the condo is damaged, the condo association may impose a loss assessment on every tenant in the condo, asking them to pay a certain amount to repair the damage. Loss assessment coverage, which is generally included in a policy, covers the cost of the condo association deems you responsible for if there is damage to a common area. Sometimes your master condo policy won't cover certain items. These items include drywall, carpeting, flooring, countertops, and appliances. You may want to increase your dwelling and personal property limits to include these items in addition to the value of the structure of your unit and the personal property you already own. You may also want to consider optional coverages such as water backup or a flood insurance policy to protect those items from those scenarios. If the fixtures and appliances in your condo are damaged and your personal condo insurance does not cover it, you may have to pay to repair or replace the items out of pocket. Ready to learn more about condo insurance? Check out our article below, Everything You Need to Know About Condo Insurance. And if you like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. For every like and subscribe, Shredder and Ryder get a treat and a cuddle. By now you should know a little more about condo insurance, what's included in your policy, and what you're paying for. Thanks for watching this video.